Hey guys, I'm back with an unexpected, well, an unbagging, not really an unboxing. Just to give you a quick backstory, I've been planning on purchasing a similar bag to this, a different color and size, when we go to Italy in a few months. So I've been saving for that. And I was in Saks this weekend in Boston, and I went to look at that actual bag, and right next to it was this one. So needless to say, not only did I not wait till Italy, but I bought a totally different bag. When you see it, you'll understand. You guys, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you get it. So it's from Balenciaga, and it doesn't come in a box or anything. Like, this is it. And the receipt, you just get the receipt itself. I don't really care about that. Boxes take up too much space. But anyways, I'm not into mini bags. I have one mini bag, which is my Saint Laurent Toy West Hollywood, that I only use for occasions when I need to be very minimal. When I only want to carry my phone, keys, credit cards, lip balm, that's it. So I just feel like if I'm going to spend all this money on a mini bag, I want it to hold all my essentials. So this bag is obviously a mini bag, but it is very deceiving because it fits a lot for the size. And I don't have direct sunlight coming in, so I can't quite show you the beauty of this bag. What I'm going to do is try to insert some videos or some quick shots of it in sunlight so you can actually see what it looks like. I'm not good at video editing, but we'll see. I'll make it work. Anyways, this is it. It's going to look kind of dull in here, again, because it's not in sunlight. But it is the Balenciaga mini, I believe this is the mini size hourglass bag, and you can see up close, look at all the sparkles. So this isn't leather, this is actually like a fabric, and then there's leather edge, like the edges where the seal is, that's all leather. But look at the sparkles in sunlight. This thing just glistens. In the store, they always have good lighting in the store. It was just sparkling and twinkling, and I could not get my eyes off of it. And I said to myself, oh, I was going to get the pink croc one. It's called powder pink in the bigger size, which is the small. But this is just too perfect, and it fits my phone, card holder, compact, eye drops, dental floss, keys. Like, it fits everything that I need on the daily, and it looks so tiny. So here is, it's just called gray. That's the tag if anybody is interested. It does have a back pocket here, which has some paperwork in it. So it's back pocket here, and then there's something here. Since it's fabric, I don't think it will stretch out. I could probably fit my phone upright in the back, but I don't usually do that. And it has like dark silver or ruthenium type of logo here. It says Balenciaga. And then it does have a crossbody strap here. And then these little carabiners here say Balenciaga on them. And when you open it, it is magnetic and it has a snap closure. It's all leather inside. This is my first time opening it, so just has some stuffing. Here's the strap. And then the inside is fully leather. You can see there's no pockets or anything in there. But it holds a lot. It holds enough for me. I often wondered if a Chanel Mini would work for me, but the prices are so outrageous, it's not worth it. I'd rather just spend a little bit more and get a classic, not with the current prices. But anyways, this is it. Let me take this wrapping off so you guys can get an idea of how it looks. Again, I was going to get a blush pink croc one in the larger size, which who knows, maybe down the road I will. But when I saw this in the store, I had one of those oh shit moments because I'm saving money for Italy. I'm not supposed to be buying bags. And I just knew that I was probably not leaving the store without it. So the strap is a little bent, you know, and here, let me see how this comes off. These just detach here like this. And let's see. Because the strap was stuffed inside the bag, I don't care. With time, it'll straighten out. But I want to show you the capacity. Now, I don't have the measurements of this, but I'll try to include it in the description box below. So right now it's on, there's a ton of different settings. It's kind of on, oh my goodness, wait a second. This has holes in the entire length of the strap. So you can make this a little shoulder bag. You can have it this short. I like crossbodies, so I'm going to mostly carry it as a crossbody. So this is how it looks. I love little top handles. I'm still in shock that I bought this because it is so tiny and it's just not something that I would have considered. But when you see it in the sunlight, you're going to totally understand. And this is it on the current setting, which is actually a really good crossbody setting for me. I'll probably leave it like this. And it can go three more lengths longer. And then this is it over my shoulder, and I'm 5'3". Anyways, this is it. I will be doing a what fits in here and a review, you know, down the road, but stay tuned because I'm going to see if I can figure out how to attach a quick video of this in the sunlight after this. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.